Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider, our podcast. We've shot over 750 videos in the last 5 years, and I've been actively lending in America, serving America for nearly 20 years, helping hundreds of thousands of people. It's where America goes for funding, guys. You can call or text our office. We're open 7 days a week for you from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., 832-431-6331. And today we're talking about the USDA loan, one of my favorite loan programs, one of the first loan programs that I got started with. And for 2021, some of the key updates, key changes with the USDA 502 guaranteed loan. So we get thousands of people that call my office every single year for the USDA loan. So today I want to just do a refresher, reminder about what the USDA loan is, some of the benefits, the requirements, the pros and cons, and see if it's a great home loan for you when you're trying to buy your home. So the USDA loan is the United States Department of Agriculture. Now, it's not a farm loan. There are farm loans that are available for commercial loans for farm and ranch and agricultural purposes, but this is a residential loan, and this is the guaranteed loan. There's two different types of USDA loans for residential. There's the direct loan that's directly through the federal government, and then there's the guaranteed loan that's actually through a USDA approved lender like us. We are a USDA approved lender, and we'll make the loan to you, but the actual USDA will actually guarantee the loan. And it's an awesome program. It's one of my favorite home loan programs. A lot of lenders don't like to do USDA because there's more legwork on the lender. I love USDA. And it's when I got started, I was doing a ton of USDA loans because all these people would call me and they want 100% financing. And they would tell me that their other lenders wouldn't want to do the loans. And I'm like, hey, sure, I'd love to help you do a USDA loan. Why not? And I thought it was a great benefit. You get a low rate, no money down. What else could you want? So it's a really, really cool program, and it does have some requirements that are very specific. And so we're going to talk about that today because it could work in your area. The USDA actually is available nationwide. I've shot a lot of videos on USDA about how to find your income eligibility, the property eligibility, and key updates. So today we're just doing a refresher for 2021 so we can educate you guys about the USDA loan. The biggest thing that I want to also add on the USDA loan is that it's really you can use it for brand new construction, where the builder builds the house, not where you do the construction loan as the consumer, but the builder, like you take your loan approval to D.R. Horton or Ryan Homes or KB Homes and have them build a home for you in their development. Or if you own raw land, the builder can build a construction loan. And then once the house is completed, we can give you the permanent funding with the USDA. You can also use it for existing construction, existing homes, or used homes or pre-owned homes. So, and you don't have to be a first-time buyer with the USDA, which is really, really cool. A lot of people think it's only for first-time buyers. You do not have to be a first-time buyer. So, and in fact, you can actually get a USDA loan even if you currently own a home. If you've been transferred from your job to another location, you can keep your existing home and lease it out. Or if your home that you live in currently is no longer habitable, the USDA will allow you to keep your existing home and then get another home. Or if you've had an increase in family size and now your current home is too small and you need a bigger home, the USDA will also allow you to do that too. So great things about the USDA. The first thing that's really, really cool about the program, it's no money down, 100% financing. So it's a true 100% financing loan. There is no down payment, guys. So you don't have to put a down payment like with FHA. So it's really, really cool because where else can you get a zero down loan? Only other zero down loan is VA. The VA zero down, but you have to serve in the military. With the USDA, you didn't have to serve in the military, okay? So you could be just a general civilian like me and get a USDA loan, assuming that you meet the other requirements. So it is available nationwide, okay, which is really, really cool. So you can be in Texas, Florida, California, wherever. But the biggest things that are really important to the USDA, there's a few of them, is the first thing is there's location restrictions, okay? The USDA, obviously in its name, is Department of Agriculture. So you have to kind of understand it's not for major metropolitan cities, guys. So you can't use this like in Dallas, Miami, Los Angeles, Houston, right? New York City. It's not available in those type of areas. So it's only available on the outskirts of major metropolitan cities or actually completely rural areas. Generally populations under 20,000 for a city, or on the hubs of the outside of a major city. So like, for example, in Houston, you can use it like in New Caney. You can use it like in Rocheron. You can use it like in Pearland. You can use it in Richmond, Rosenberg, Waller. There's different areas outside of Houston that you can actually use the USDA, but not actually in the city of Houston, the city limits proper. So that's just an example. There's actually a live interactive map that we'll have in the YouTube video. You can click on the link to the USDA and it'll take you to the website, and then you can actually pull up the live interactive map and it'll show you all the location restrictions. So that's number one. Number two is there are income restrictions. So you can't be, Donald Trump, the billionaire, and get a USDA loan. Unfortunately, it doesn't work like that because obviously it's zero down 100% financing. So there are income restrictions. And also on that link is the income requirements. It's live and interactive for every county in the United States. The USDA has done a great job of updating their website, and you can actually go in there and type in your family size, your monthly income, your deductions, your dependents. If you have medical expenses, they take all that into account. And there's income limits based on how many people in your family, based on what county you're going to live in, based on any type of deductions that you have for children, elderly people, Medicare and Medicaid. All of these different type of things go into the income calculation. And then it'll tell you if you qualify for USDA or not. Okay? There's a link in our YouTube description. You can actually go to the USDA website and do all those calculations and check that math out to make sure that your income actually qualifies. I will tell you just right off the back of my hand that the income calculations are anywhere from 80 to 130,000, somewhere in there, based on the family size and based on what county that you're in. So decent income wages. The other thing about the USDA that we talk about, you have to have at least a 640 or higher credit score. We mentioned it's 100% financing, low fixed interest rate. Interest rates are as low as, the lowest rates you can get in the market, 2.5, 2.8 as of shooting this video. They can change based on the market, but very low rates, very low PMI factor. The PMI factor is like 0.35 to 0.5, so you have a very low PMI. The requirements with debt ratio are really important. The debt ratio requirements really for USDA is, what does that mean? 29 and 41. That means that they don't really want to see your house payment over 29%, and they don't want to see your back end debt ratio over 41%. So it is a little bit more strict than FHA when it comes to debt to income ratio. You can't exceed 29 and 41. There are exceptions to this. They will sometimes go higher if you have excellent credit, where you can go up to maybe 33 and 45 with excellent credit and great reserves. But these are the main things to know about USDA. So we'd love to help you to get you pre-approved for your USDA loan. I'd love to hear from you. Call or text me if we can get you pre-approved for a USDA loan. It's one of my favorite loan programs. We'd love to get you pre-approved for. You can call or text my office at 832-431-6331. We'd love to hear from you to get your USDA loan. You can also click on the link in the YouTube channel and actually get pre-approved right there. And one of our lenders will contact you right away. Again, we're open 7 days a week for you. I hope that this video is educational. Remember, the YouTube link description has the USDA link to the website to check the income and location restrictions. If we can help with anything with commercial residential lending, call or text my office at 832-431-6331. Thank you so much for watching, and check out my next video. Thank you so much.